Okay guys, this is day 3 of filming at the farm to try and get investors or somebody that wants to start like a community, a tiny homes community or something like that, or an off-roading venture type deal. That would be really cool. Let me go ahead and turn this around. So that's the main house. And there's a boathouse over there. I don't know if you can see it. Because believe it or not, there is a pond here. It's dried out right now. And you know, everything costs money, so in order for them to dig a well, in order to fill out the pond again, we're looking for investors to go on this journey with them, or us. It's 100 acres out in Anza, California. Not to mistake that for Anza Borrego, because that's I think an hour away from here, maybe 2.